Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with this absolutely stunning Ferrari 275 GTB short nose. The car's been delivered to us accompanied with the factory build sheet to give us the original specification, which was Connolly Vaumol in the code 3218, along with a matching golden brown carpet, and then we've used the correct materials for the vinyl and the grey perforated and plain headlining materials. This is the 46th Ferrari 275 that we at O'Rourke Coachtrimmers have retrimmed, and before that Robert, at his time with his father's business Motor Technique, trimmed dozens more. So we are very well rehearsed and know all of the intrinsic details and where the material should be used and how everything should look and be finished. We're going to let you watch the team go through the initial stages of this, and then you're going to join Rourke just to talk through a few of the details that are maybe different between a short nose and a long nose, and just a couple of bits and pieces inside the cabin.
Hi there, Rourke here. I thought it'd be fun to show you the differences on a 275 2-cam to a 4-cam interior. Visually, you can see the back's laid out differently. You've got suspension turrets covered. You've got the luggage straps on display across the rear shelf, and quite a bulbous rear shelf panel which is fluted. And on a 4-cam, the rear bulkhead wall is much more vertical. And the tunnels are also different on a 2-cam to a 4-cam. The 4-cam has a wider gearbox on it, so you have a stitch line generally over the front of the tunnel. On here you can see it's just a slender tunnel, and the bulkheads are very different, how the plastic stitch and the height. The era of 50s, 60s, 70s trimming was very much craftsman led. You know, trying to get this armrest out in one piece of vinyl, you probably wouldn't attempt that nowadays because it's too time consuming and it's very easy to mess up. So this is all trimmed in one piece of vinyl. And you can see in these tricky contours, it'll either be hard to get the vinyl out or you'll have build up. And probably working in a warm warehouse down in Milan, the vinyl stretched a bit easier than it does in England. But they were able to get these mouldings out in one piece. And that's a brave piece of trim work, and we like to replicate that here. You see on the dashboards as well, they drop a stitch line underneath the dash. And that's incredibly brave to even think about doing and then put that into practice, because when you drop a stitch line underneath and you try and bend that round a corner, it doesn't want to go. So I like to tip my hat to the guys of the old days who pushed the boundaries of what you were able to do with the materials in hand. When I look at a 275 interior, I love to see how it's screwed together, and it's very important to have matching screw heads, having the screws in the right places. As you can see, this screw's not in the middle. That's how they were originally. I've got many door panels to back up that fact. And to see no gaps between these panels, it's been screwed up beautifully. And you see it's fitted very well everywhere, and it's a perfect interior. As you can see, the work speaks for itself. I love trimming 275s. This is the 46 275 I've done. If you count 2-cams, 4-cams, GTSs, and there's a little Nart Spider tucked in there as well. And as you can see, a fantastic interior. It's in my top 3 interiors to do. I love 250 Lusos as well, and Lamborghini Miuras. Fabulous interior. They really show off all the space fantastically, and they're just simply beautiful. I could stand here looking at this interior for hours.
I hope you've enjoyed watching the team go through transforming this cabin to what you see in front of you now, and listening to Rocky talk you through some of the finer details and differences that you see in 275s. A lot of the products that we've used through this retrim are also available through our parts store, so if you have a look on our website, you can have a look through those for yourself. If you've got any questions or comments, please drop them below or get in touch through the contact page on our website. Thank you for watching. I look forward to bringing you another video soon.